I'm signing an executive order to put tariffs on all foreign countries.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
Congratulations, Mr. President, but are you sure this is a good idea?
We got a bad deal with these foreign countries.
Okay, if you say so. Oh my God, it's a rat! I gotta call an exterminator.
Unnecessary, because I'm now signing an executive order to put tariffs on all rats.
You're gonna put a tariff on rats?
We got a bad deal with these rats.
Mr. President, terrorist organizations just attacked the Pentagon. Should we strike back?
Unnecessary, because I'm now signing an executive order to put tariffs on all tariffs.
What?
A terrorist tariff.
How is putting a tariff on terrorists gonna stop the attack?
We got a bad deal with these terrorists.
Mr. President, we just got your test results back and you have terminal cancer. We have to operate immediately to save your life.
Unnecessary, because I'm now signing an executive order to put tariffs on all cancer.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
I just put a tariff on everything, expected to fix everything. We got a bad deal with the cancer.
Breaking news, Trump's tariffs have the economy booming while rats, terrorists, and cancer are all gone. Congratulations, Mr. President.